Hello riders! Welcome back to SG Riders Rocket. Today's bike is not just a motorcycle. It is an emotion. It is a legend. And for millions of riders, it is the first love on two wheels red heart. Yes. Today we are talking about the Hero Motocorp Super Splendor. A bike that promises heavy checkmark power, heavy checkmark mileage, heavy checkmark comfort, heavy checkmark reliability, heavy checkmark low maintenance. But the big question is backhand index pointing down. Backhand index pointing right, is Hero's Super Splendor still worth buying in 2025? Backhand index pointing right, is it better than its rivals? Backhand index pointing right, why do millions still trust this bike? So watch this video till the end, because this might be the best 125 cubic centimeters bike for you fire. And yes, backhand index pointing right. Subscribe to SG Riders. Backhand index pointing right, like this video. Backhand index pointing right, share with a true bike lover. Now, let's ride into the details. Motorcycle dashing away. Motorcycle history and legacy of Super Splendor. The Super Splendor is not new. It carries a legacy of trust built over decades. Hero designed this bike for daily office riders, students, family men, long-term users. This bike is popular in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, rural and urban markets. Why? Because Hero bikes are known for reliability, and Super Splendor takes that reputation to the next level. This motorcycle is built for people who say, "I want a bike that starts every morning without drama." And Super Splendor delivers exactly that. 100 points. Wrench, engine and performance. Let's talk about the heart of the bike, red heart. Engine specs. Engine, 124.7 cubic centimeters single cylinder. Cooling, air-cooled. Fuel system, fuel injection. Power, 10.7 brake horsepower. Torque, 10.6 Newton meters. Gearbox, 5-speed manual. Now listen carefully. This engine is not built for racing crossmark. This engine is built for real-world riding. White heavy checkmark. Smooth throttle response. No unnecessary vibrations. Perfect power delivery for city and highway. Even at 40 kilometers per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, the engine feels relaxed and confident. This is the kind of engine that says, "Relax bro, I've got this." Smiling face with sunglasses. Fuel pump mileage, real hero of the bike. Now let's talk about the biggest reason people buy Super Splendor. Backhand index pointing down. Mileage. City, 55 to 60 km/L. Highway, 60 to 65 km/L. With smooth riding. Even more. For daily commuters, this is a money-saving machine. Money back. In today's fuel prices, Super Splendor feels like one full tank, and forget petrol tension for days. That's why delivery riders love it. Office commuters trust it. Families recommend it. Mileage plus reliability equals peace of mind. Ride quality and comfort. Comfort is where Super Splendor silently wins hearts. Red heart. Seating. Long, wide, well-cushioned seat. Comfortable for rider and pillion. Perfect for long daily rides. Suspension. Front, telescopic forks. Rear, 5-step adjustable shock absorbers. Bad roads? Speed breakers? Village roads? Super Splendor handles them like a champ. Flex biceps. You can ride 30 kilometers daily, 60 kilometers daily, even 100 kilometers, and still feel relaxed. This bike respects your spine and back. Man, a lotus position. Stop sign braking and safety. Safety is simple but effective. Brakes. Front disc/drum, variant-wise. Rear drum. IBS, integrated braking system. IBS helps new riders a lot because balanced braking, less skidding, more control. This is not a racing bike. so Hero smartly focused on safe and predictable braking. Bar chart features and technology. Super Splendor focuses on useful features, not unnecessary gimmicks. Key features: heavy checkmark digital analog meter, heavy checkmark real-time mileage indicator, heavy checkmark side stand engine cutoff, heavy checkmark fuel injection technology, heavy checkmark i3S start-stop system. That i3S system is amazing for traffic. Engine turns off at signals. Saves fuel. Restarts instantly with clutch. Small feature. Big long-term benefit light bulb. Artist palette design and road presence. Let's be honest. Super Splendor design is simple, clean, mature. It's not flashy cross mark, but it is respectable white heavy check mark. Chrome touches. Classic tank shape. Strong body graphics. This bike says, "I'm not here to show off. I'm here to last." And that's powerful 100 points. The S-button comparison with rivals. Compared to other 125 cubic centimeters bikes. Better resale value. Lower maintenance. Better mileage. Wider service network. Hero's service is available almost everywhere, even in small towns. That huge advantage. Money back price and maintenance, 20 to 2200 hours. Price range. Budget friendly. Value for money. Maintenance. Very low service cost. Spare parts easily available. Mechanics already know this bike well. This bike is built for long-term ownership. Family man, woman, boy, who should buy this bike? 2200 hours to 2400 hours. Buy Hero Super Splendor if heavy check mark you want mileage. Heavy check mark you want reliability. Heavy check mark you want low maintenance. Heavy check mark you want daily comfort. Heavy check mark you want tension-free ownership. This is not for cross-mark racing lovers. Cross-mark aggressive riders. Cross-mark show-off bikes fans. This is for smart riders' brain. Red Heart final verdict, 2400 hours, 25:30. Hero Super Splendor is not just a bike. It is a trusted partner. It may not excite your heart, but it will never break your trust. And that's why millions still choose it. Bell outro, emotional end, 25:30, end. If you want a bike that starts every morning, saves your fuel money, keeps your family comfortable, lasts for years, then Hero Super Splendor is made for you, Red Heart. If you enjoyed this detailed review, backhand index pointing right, like the video. Backhand index pointing right, subscribe to SG Riders. Backhand index pointing right, comment your thoughts below. Till then, ride safe, ride smart. This is SG Riders, signing off. Motorcycle Fire.